Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. I am a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad, and today I'm filming in my home studio, my bedroom slash yoga room. I wanted to share with you today about Natarajasana, the dancer pose. I recently posted a photo on Instagram and someone asked me, is it accessible? Is this pose accessible for everyone? And I thought it would be fun to share with you how you can prepare for your dancer pose and how you can access it in a safe and correct way so you don't hurt your back or whatever else you can hurt. So if you want to start standing, feet hips distance, belly engaged, activating your legs, reaching through your crown up to the ceiling, arms reaching down. We'll start first with a warm-up. Bring your weight onto your right foot and grab onto your left ankle. If this is not accessible to you, feel free to grab a strap, wrap it around your ankle, and then hold it with your hand. Just make sure your arm is not pulling up so much. Bring your knees together, so the knee is not moving forward, but together, and also not moving sideways. Engage your core again and push your knee a little bit back. Feel the stretch on the front of your left leg, all the way from your knee to your hip. We're stretching the quadriceps and the iliopsoas here, the hip. Make sure to keep engaging, and you might wobble a little bit like I am. Just keep your standing leg slightly bent, especially if you are prone to hyperextend the knee, and pull your belly in. If you're a little bit more flexible, you can push the knee a little bit more back. Hold onto your foot with both arms and feel your chest opening as you keep pulling in the belly. Here I'm starting to really feel it. Stretching the front of my left hip, opening my shoulders. One more breath here. And then carefully release. So don't just slingshot your foot down. Shake it out. Shake out the standing leg as well. This other side I'll do facing you so you can see what I meant with the knee facing out. So find balance again. Bring your weight onto your left foot. Slowly bring your right foot towards your hand. Bring the knee together. Belly engages. Make sure you don't have it out. I know that will be easier for most of you, but try and keep them together. So you're really stretching the front part of the right leg this time and the hip. Pull your foot towards you, reach your crown up and breathe, hold. Maybe grabbing onto the foot with both hands, pulling the shoulders back, pulling the foot towards you and the knee back without opening to the side. And keep pulling your belly in. One more breath. Slowly release. Shake it out. Let's go a little bit further this time. Just making sure that your shoulders and your hips always face the right direction. So you're not going to turn open. Although that looks kind of nice in photos, it's not how you want to practice this pose in real life on your mat. Feet hips distance. Bring your weight onto your right foot once again. Lift up your left foot, grab onto the foot and start the same way that we started just now. Bring your knees together, engage your core, pull your foot in and squeeze. Bring your right hand forward, reaching up at heart level. Look at one solid point. This will help you a lot with balance, as well as the core and the knee bent. Push your foot into your hand. So you feel it moving away from your butt. This is engaging your glutes and the whole front of your left leg. Maybe it can go quite far. In that case, you can kind of tip forward a little bit. Keep your belly pulling in. Keep your shoulder pointing that way. Forward. If you want to take it a little bit further, push your foot up to the ceiling. You'll feel a little bit more of a tilt in your pose. Try and keep your balance. Keep your belly engaged all the time to protect your low back. Nice. Slowly come back. See if you can keep that control as you bring it down. If you've fallen out in the meantime, don't worry about it. It's okay to lose balance. That's how your body learns how to balance for the future. So, the other side. Bring your balance onto your left foot. Lift your right foot up. Grab the ankle. Pull your belly in first. Knees together. Reach your left arm forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, push your foot away from your butt. Feel the opening in your chest, but keep the belly pulling in. Push your foot further away from you. However far you get is perfect. Try to push the foot away and then maybe tilt. I see a lot of people who don't have the flexibility yet to push the foot back, but they want to tilt. So then it looks kind of like this, which, as you can see, does nothing extra. So in that case, stay upright. Push your foot back as much as your body will allow. Keep your right shoulder pointing forward. One more breath here. And then slowly release. Shake it out, let your hips crack like mine always do. My toes as well. So on Instagram, you've probably seen the full variation, the king dancer, gripping from the top. So holding onto your foot with your arms really opening. In order to do this pose, you have to have a lot of opening in your heart area, your chest area, also in your back, and super flexible hip flexors. This one might need you to use a strap. Actually, I need a strap for this one as well. Bring your weight on the right foot. Have your foot either in your hand or in your strap. Find balance. Lift your knee up. Bring your arm up. Bring the elbow out to the side first and then up. Keep your toes flexing so you hold on to the strap or the fingers. Hands together at the strap. Lean it forward as if you're tilting. Breathe. Feel the opening and then slowly release. Do the other side. Bring your weight onto your left foot. Grab onto your right foot with either your hand or your strap. I'm using a sock because I can't find my strap right now. And then reach your foot back and up. Bring your elbow sideways and up. And grab either your toes, if you're flexible, or your strap with both hands. Remember to engage your core. Maybe tip it forward a little bit more. Keep breathing. Feel the opening. I feel it mostly in my shoulders. You might feel it in your hip, in your back. And then release. Whew. Shake it out. Nice. Just to end, I like to round the spine a little bit. So find a standing cat pose. Feet a little bit wider, hands on your knees, fingers pointing in. On the exhale, pull your belly in. Round your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, slowly hollow. Not too far though, because we've just done all the hollow, so neutral is fine too. Exhale, round. And stay here for a few breaths. Just finding that roundness in your spine. Let your head come down. Fold forward. Shake it out. Maybe sway left to right. If your hands are reaching the ground, definitely grab onto opposite elbows. Relax your head, your neck. And when you're ready, slowly roll back up. Arms go with. So remember to Find a steady focus point for your eyes. Really hold on to that. Have your standing leg not overextended. If your legs are prone to do that, keep it bent a little bit so that you have the ability to catch yourself before you fall over properly. Engage your core and pick a level that works for you. That's the most important one. Don't try and copy photos that you've seen on Instagram when it's not ready for your body yet. And you can work up to different levels, but don't feel discouraged if you only reach level 1. If you're inspired to bring your practice a little bit higher, go check out some of the people that I really like on Instagram, like Asana Vanessa, also Yogi Elena in Barcelona. Just remember that most of these people are either naturally very flexible or have been gymnasts. So don't be discouraged if you can't do a handstand and you're not super flexible. You're still a yogi. I hope this helps. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and let me know how it goes in the comments. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell if you want an email every time I upload videos. There will be more coming more steadily with the help of my friend Shayla from Living on a One Way. Enjoy your dancer pose, and I'll see you in the next video.